Lilly's experimental GLP-1 pill, orforglipron, made headlines recently with its promising yet controversial performance in a late-stage trial. Cutting body weight by 12.4%, the pill showed significant potential for weight loss management. But here's where it gets controversial. This result lagged behind Novo Nordisk's Wegovy injection, which has previously shown more impressive outcomes. The market reacted harshly, with Lilly's shares plummeting nearly 15%, the steepest single-day drop in 25 years, a drop that threatened to erase more than $100 billion in market value. But let's not jump to conclusions just yet. Dave Wagner, a portfolio manager at Actis Capital Advisors, thinks the market is overreacting. He believes 12.4% weight loss is still pretty good and sees potential for Lilly to expand its share in the weight loss market. This outcome, however, was not what investors had hoped for. The high bar set by Wegovy's previous results meant that anything less would be disappointing. The dropout rate due to side effects was about 10% for those on the high-dose regimen, a concern that could impact the pill's long-term adoption. Despite this, Lilly CEO David Ricks remained optimistic, emphasizing the company's goal to deliver a powerful GLP-1 medicine in a convenient once-daily pill format. The pill's potential to significantly impact human health is undeniable, and Lilly plans to file for approval this year. Hoping to meet the global challenge of obesity, the pill's formulation is unique. Unlike injectable obesity drugs, orforglipron is a small molecule pill that's easier to manufacture and package. This could be a game-changer for patients, given the preference for oral medications over injections. Several studies show that many patients prefer pills due to convenience and a dislike of needles. However, the pill's side effects, including nausea and vomiting, may be higher than expected, which could impact patient tolerance and adherence. Lilly's pill is not just about weight loss, it also lowered markers of heart disease risk, including cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood pressure, across all doses. This could enhance insurance coverage for weight loss drugs, given the current approval of Wegovy to reduce the risk of major heart problems. With the market for weight loss drugs expected to reach $150 billion by the early 2030s, Lilly's pill could still find a place in the spotlight, especially as the FDA reviews a high-dose oral version of Wegovy for potential approval later this year. As the full results are presented next month at a major European diabetes meeting, we're left with questions and thoughts to ponder. How will Lilly's pill stack up against Wegovy in the long run? Is the market's reaction justified, or is it overreacting? And most importantly, how will this new pill change the landscape of weight loss management? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And this is the part most people miss: the potential for Lilly's pill to become a game changer in the weight loss market, despite its current shortcomings.